ready to transform your code into a collaborative masterpiece and share it with the world. First, let's dive into GitHub. If you're new, you will need to create an account. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to get your profile set up if you're already a GitHub user. Then go ahead and sign in. Once you are on your dashboard, it's time to get to work creating your first project repository. Click the New button. This will open up the form to start setting up your first repository. Give your project a name, then provide a brief description that outlines what your project is about. You can toggle between a public or private repository. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private repositories restrict access. Initialize your repository with a README file. This file contains vital file instructions of your project. Click Create Repository. Congratulations, you've now created your project repository. You can begin to add files by clicking the Add File button. Now it's time to share your project and invite others to collaborate. Go to Settings and select Collaborators and Team Settings. Here, you can add collaborators by their GitHub usernames or email address. You can also grant them different levels of access, such as read, write, or admin permissions. To access your work or share your work with collaborators, you can use the Git Commands first. Git clone to download the project, then use Git to commit local changes and push them to remote. After finishing the necessary changes, you've successfully created a project on GitHub, learned how to share it, and manage access permissions. Now you and your team can collaborate, share your work, and have success together. Happy coding!